outstanding design defines the 2009 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call